learn,
How dare you
figured
talk
anything
bad
out.
about theoretical physicists? These guys
No,
prove
look, any
nothing.
theoretical physicist will tell you that he doesn't know shit,
No,
right?
that's a
Because he
useless.
knows
That's
enough
a
to
Scott. I think
know that he
theoretical
doesn't
physicists are the
really
most
know.
useless people, Scott. That's an inside joke with me and Jay, right?
We're gonna anyway. So when I look at that, when I look at just the scale there, right, and the probability of there being, you know, anything new and different and cool about our planet out on the edge of the habitable zone of our galaxy, right? Because let's be honest, man, we are out there. We're in the boonies. This is the West Virginia of our galaxy,
Yeah, for
for
sure.
reals, right? Like we're way out here. So why would anybody come out to the sticks, right? Why would they?
I got an answer for
Okay,
that.
I can see uncondoned genetic experimentation.
That's it
Yeah,
right there.
that's a valid one,
So they
right?
can, yeah, exactly.
I get it.
So the
They
Federation
can
doesn't know
test
they're out here
their
fiduciarying us with us. That's what's going on right there.
and that's it. And that is not a that is a
Yeah,
non-zero probability right
yeah,
there, right?
yeah.
But that's assuming that there's this galactic society and there's some kind of regulation to it. It could be the wild, wild freaking west out there. It could be we're the last ones around because we were stupid enough to take too long, right? Like, and it's just a pile of bones everywhere. Who knows?
Yeah, two nights ago
It's
I read.
awfully quiet though.
Yeah,
Right.
two nights ago I read something that was interesting. Jay, I was going to send it to you, and Scott, I don't know if Jay's big into this stuff. I don't. I just want a Millennium Falcon. I don't care how it works, right? So Jay wants to know how it works, right? So
I wouldn't get too picky.
so supposedly 40 years ago there was a major breakthrough. Again, I was in one of those pockets of YouTube. 0 point energy was actually discovered 40 years ago, right? And that 0 point energy, it gives them the power that they need now to basically fold space and time, right? To fold it, right? And then when I was reading Revelations, talks about the Earth, the sky rolling back like a scroll. That's totally a portal. They're talking about a portal, right? And I thought to myself, damn, right? Like, and so when to connect the dots with what we're starting to see now in like 2024. Yeah, I don't know if you guys, I hate to remember when Star Trek, the Federation didn't show up until they saw they could do warp speed or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
I'm thinking to myself, like, have we played that card too many times and we've been detected like with some of the stuff that we do down here, and we've drawn their attention, right? And now all of a sudden they're like, okay, these guys have actually hit a milestone now where and so either they're here to like welcome us or here to knock us back down to the damn Stone Age, right? So that like, it's like, and saying like, hey, look, you guys, here you go, back to the mud huts with you 1,000 that we leave around to breed up again. But
I think of it more as like a containment of infection.
No,
right.
Yeah. So yeah, maybe, man. Like I said, I'm so positive though.
Yeah, I know. We're not ready. Like that's what okay. So if we're gonna talk about like theories, I got a billion of them, right? But the leading one for me right now, assuming that we're in the positive side of the galaxy, right? Like where not everybody is out to get us.
Right.
We don't have the ability to leave the planet yet. So we're kind of beneath notice, right? Number one. Number two, would you want most people to leave our planet and go mingle?
Well, I'm wearing a Deadpool I Love Taco shirt. If I'm not an ambassador to the Andromedans, man, I don't know who is, right?
I'm not worried about you, right? But there are nasty people on this planet who do nasty things,
for sure,
right? If a society exists out there, it exists for the benefit of kind of the group. And why would you let something hostile into the group if it's going to be nasty and virulent? Because we breed like rabbits, and we're adaptable to many different situations. We're kind of hardy little things, you know what I mean? Humans are interesting.
What do you think, Scott?
In that way.
I mean, that's kind of the thing. Like Jay's saying, like maybe they don't want us. You know what I'm saying? Like humans are aggressive. But at the same time, I'm talking like they're so much better than us. But if these stories are true, they're abducting us and like experimenting on us, which is against our will, right? What I'm saying. So, you know, they're not so much taking the high road either. But I think part two is that aside from maybe what is scary about their potential existence here, whether they're aliens or, you know, maybe they've been here longer than us, maybe they're interdimensional.
Subscribe now and turn on the notifications to join us on this extraordinary journey into the unknown.